Welcome. I will guide you through starting and growing a successful electronics business from scratch. Step 1, research the market. Know what products people want most before investing. Study global trends. Big players like Apple and Samsung succeed because they track demand worldwide.
Start small. Build or repair simple devices first to learn what sells and what doesn't. Learn from the best. Every successful electronics giant started small, then scaled with strategy. Step 2, find reliable suppliers. A solid source means consistent products and happy customers. Step 3, budget wisely. Track every expense. Inventory, shipping, and marketing add up fast. Secure funding early. Investors love clear numbers and growth projections. Show them your vision. Start local. Offer small repair services or accessories first. This builds trust and steady income. Step 4, network at trade shows. Connections with suppliers and customers drive early success. Step 5, build your brand. A strong identity sets you apart in a crowded electronics market. Step 6, use social media. Short, engaging gadget videos attract loyal customers fast.
Launch an online store. Platforms like Shopify and Amazon expand your reach beyond local buyers.
Customer trust is everything. Deliver on time, and quality service keeps them coming back. Step 7, collect reviews. Positive feedback builds credibility and boosts future sales.
Step 9. Invest in digital marketing. Targeted ads bring your electronics directly to buyers.
Competition is healthy. Learn from rivals, then offer better value to win your customers. Step 10. Build partnerships. Collaborations open new markets and strengthen your brand. Think big. Expand regionally, then globally. Your electronics brand can reach the world. Step 11. Innovate constantly. New ideas keep your electronics business ahead of the curve. Step 12. Support your customers. Loyalty comes from solving problems quickly and with care. Every milestone matters. Track progress, adapt strategies, and never stop improving.
Success in electronics comes from vision, persistence, and constant learning. Your journey starts now.